The Daily Global Pulse provides non-biased news summaries from credible sources as they happen, saving the viewer time with a 3-minute report to understand the world.
U.S. and Israel launch strikes on Iran.
The United States and Israel launched strikes on Iranian leadership and nuclear facilities in a major military campaign named Operation Epic Fury.
Iran launches retaliatory missile barrages.
Tehran launched retaliatory missile barrages toward Israel and United States regional bases following the initial joint military strikes on Iranian territory.
Shipping suspended in Strait of Hormuz.
Leading energy firms suspended oil and fuel shipments through the Strait of Hormuz due to heightened security threats in the strategic maritime corridor.
Oil prices spike amid Middle East war.
Global oil markets reacted to Middle East escalations as Brent crude prices rose amid analyst warnings of potential inflationary impacts.
Civilian exodus from Tehran reported.
Thousands of residents fled major Iranian cities as explosions rocked Tehran, and the government urged civilians to seek safety from ongoing attacks.
Airlines cancel Middle East flights.
Global airlines canceled flights across the Middle East as regional governments implemented extensive airspace closures in response to the widening conflict.
Clinton denies wrongdoing in Epstein probe. Former President Bill Clinton denied any personal wrongdoing during closed-door congressional testimony regarding his historical relationship with the late Jeffrey Epstein.
Afghanistan reports downing Pakistani jet.
Afghan military officials reported the downing of a Pakistani fighter jet and the capture of its pilot amidst intensifying cross-border strikes.
OpenAI recruits top Meta researcher.
OpenAI recruited prominent artificial intelligence researcher Ruoming Pang from Meta to lead the development of the organization's next-generation superintelligence infrastructure.
North Korea signals succession with imagery.
North Korean state media released images of the leader's teenage daughter firing a rifle, intensifying international speculation regarding her eventual succession.
The global landscape shifted dramatically as joint United States and Israeli strikes on Iran triggered retaliatory missile attacks and widespread regional instability. These escalations disrupted energy markets and international aviation, while humanitarian concerns rose in Tehran. Simultaneously, diplomatic tensions flared in South Asia, and new succession signals emerged from North Korea.
This was Global Pulse Daily News Summary. Source link is always in our description or in our videos. Subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.